Racers ready. Marshall's ready. Everybody's going to roll on the tone in less than 5. Robert Molina going to lead them off here. With Mandarino right behind him in that number 2 spot. Mandarino putting the pressure on the back of him now. That black stunt. Oh, looking to the inside. Danny looking going to make a power move. Oh, they tie up. They did touch together.
Come on, Lance!
Come on, Lance. Is that my fault?
Is there Lance driving?
You got Molina out in front. Oh, don't take that back. That's going to be Drew Libby out in front. No, that's Dennisfield. McDugan out in front. Cubbage. Yeah, that's it. Robert Molina in the 2. Chris Manning in the 3. Singletary in the 4. Molina now back to the race lead. Chris Manning in at number 2. Jordan Singletary up into the 3. Julian O'Barry in the 4. Dennis in the 5. Jeff Lynn in the 6. Alfredo in the 7. Drew Libby in the 8. Tracy Proctor in the 9. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Very close together.
Patience, Drew. Just drive.
17. Easy, guys. One snags the fight and have a little bit of a ball up over here in the corner. Chris Manning going to come up in that number 2 spot now. Looks like Julian now going to work his way up into the 3. It's going to be Dennis down in the 4. Jordan in the 5. Jeff Lynn in the 6. Robert Molina out in front. Chris Manning running in the number 2 spot. Julian O'Barry right behind him in the 3. Julian coming down the hill, looking for a way around Manning. Manning grabs him a handful of trigger, trying to pull away here from Julian as they come across the line. Gap now 0.8 of a second. Last time by was 0.6. Chris Manning with the green wheel, yellow wheel combo. Our race leader continuing to pull away. 3 minutes down, 2 minutes left to go. Race gap staying 0.8 of a second between Manning and Julian for that number 2 spot. Race leader continue to pull away. Dennis running in the 4. Jeff Lynn in the 5. Jordan Singletary down to the 6. Tracy Parker 7. Alfredo in the 8. 90 seconds left to go in the race. Manning coming down the hill. Julian trying to make up some time. Down the front stretch they go.
Come on, Drew. Settle down.
Oh no!
4 minutes down, 1 minute left to go. .45 seconds left to go. Robert Molina out in front. Julian now closing in on the back of Chris Manning here. Lap driver pulling over. Julian looking to the inside. Careful.
What the fuck, man? I got fucking taken out right there. You're watching.
You did get taken out. I just did. Hey, pack your shit and go home. Yeah. Quit running your trap. Get out of here. Why don't you come over here and fix this where you was walking around on this pit lane where you shouldn't have been, where you tore up this man's stuff. Race clock is expired.
Chessman done.
As you cross the lines, you're going to be done.
Jordan Singletary done. Tracy Crocker done. Robert Molina done.
Waiting on Julian to finish up.